Hey, I'm gonna show you what's in my bathtub. We got a plunger. We got some Febreze. I don't know. Just in case, I think you know. Candle. Oh my, and a lighter. I'm not really gonna do that, it's not safe. Got some of this stuff. Got a highlighter. It's probably my mom's. Flashlight. Definitely not mine. Got some deodorant in the hand. I don't really know what that's for. But I want to know what that's for. I guess something here. What the heck is crawling around? Fucking mouse. Alright. Well, looks like it's time for me to go.